Welcome. Are you looking to save your favorite Instagram Reels directly from your PC using the latest update? You're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to save any Reel on the Instagram app for PC, so you can revisit your favorite moments anytime. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. If you haven't updated your app recently, take a moment to check for updates to ensure you have the newest features and the smoothest experience. Once you're inside the app, head over to the Reels section. You can do this by clicking on the Reels icon, usually found in the left sidebar or at the top of your feed, depending on your layout. Take a moment to scroll through and find the Reel you want to save. Whether it's a funny clip, an inspiring story, or a creative tutorial, you can save any Reel you like. When you've found the Reel you want to keep, look for the Save icon. This icon looks like a small bookmark and is typically located at the bottom right corner of the Reel, just below the share and comment options. Hover your mouse over the icon, and you'll see a prompt that says Save. Click on it, and just like that, the Reel is saved to your collection. To access your saved Reels later, go to your profile by clicking your profile picture. Then, look for the Save tab. Here, you'll find all the Reels and posts you've saved, neatly organized for easy viewing whenever you want. That's all it takes. With these quick steps, you can save any Reel on Instagram using your PC and never lose track of the content you love. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.